production androids activated now.
The tape is rolling, the red orb is glowing.
Good evening, YouTube pipe smokers. Spaceman here. Tonight I'm smoking my Stanwell Danish Natural Lovat style pipe. Stanwell is made in Denmark. Well, this one is. I guess they all are, for that matter. But tonight I'm smoking Cornell and Diehl chocolate Cavendish. I'm getting too much of a chocolate flavor in it out of this. More of a Cavendish, I guess. Let's go to the notes on pipes and cigars, the description of it. Cornell and Diehl's chocolate Cavendish utilizes their superb Cavendish-based tobaccos. But in this iteration, they've added a smooth blend of chocolate and cocoa flavors for a mellow flavor and a heavenly room note. This is a blend that you want to enjoy all day long. Oh no. Nothing real special about it. I've tried it out. It's a bulk blend. It's on sale, $2.50 an ounce. No, I'm sorry. Excuse me, $3.10 an ounce. It's on sale for $3.10 an ounce. It's okay. So nothing special. But incidentally, I got a copy of, I've had a copy of the latest catalog from Pipes and Cigars. There's a nice looking young lady on it, smoking a pipe. We'll see how flavorful this bowl gets as it progresses downward. Anyway, some nice pipes in here. Nice tobaccos. Also got a copy of Model Railroader magazine. Well, this is August issue. I'm also on Model Railroader. Although I haven't, I dismantled my railroad up in New Jersey when I moved down here, and I haven't started to build another one yet. Construction on another one, but I will. It's hot tonight. Not very comfortable out here. But anyway, that's it. I'm just going to sit here and see if I can enjoy this. I don't know if this will be a repeat order or not. It's okay. We'll see how the flavor progresses, and I'll be back with a little bit more on that. See you then. Gotten quite a ways down the bowl now with this chocolate Cavendish, and it's got a good flavor to it. It's not real great, but it's good. But I want to show you my new addition to my lighter collection. It's a Zippo pipe lighter, wood and steel. That's what it's called, and really nice. Love it. Love the Zippos. Love the click. Love everything about them. They're great lighters. You might want to get yourself one of these. But anyway, chocolate Cavendish is not bad. You know, not one of my top 10 aromatics, but it's not bad. Maybe I should mix it a little bit with a Sutliff coffee and try that. And incidentally, I got you know, a pipe here too. I've been smoking Sutliff coffee. Okay, that's it. I'm back. I hear the train coming. That's CSX. That would be the CSX phosphate train coming up the line over here. Can taste some cocoa in it. Not bad. But like I said, it's more of a Cavendish than anything. I believe I have on order. I believe I have a chocolate mocha. Let's see. On order here. At Pipes and Cigars. I love the sound of a distant train in the down south coming up the tracks. At night. Let's see what we got here. On back order, chocolate covered espresso bean. That's what I have on back order. Who makes that? Oh, it's Russ. The Russ Monthly Blend. Tastes almost more like a chocolate, hot chocolate to me. I don't know. It's okay. But you know what? I always said this. I might as well say it. There's nothing like enjoying a good bowl of pipe tobacco and your favorite pipe with a cup of coffee. And my coffee of choice is Maxwell House Original Roast. Brewed in the French press, a percolator, or the vacuum pot. I own a Bodum Peebo vacuum pot coffee maker. It's good. I just had a small piece of chocolate cake and just celebrated my father's 98th birthday. As you can see on my channel, I've posted a video on that. Wow, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it feels like to be 98 years old. Wow. I'd like to see my father make it to 100. That'd be interesting. Anyway, the train's out of here and I'm out of Dodge. So I'll see you next time. Happy pipe smoking. Cheers.